What is quantitative research design? Quantitative and quantitative research use different research methods to collect and analyze data, and they allow you to answer different kinds of research questions. Quantitative research focuses on covering meaning and comprehension-wide detailed description, due to which it can be powerful methods for exploring educational issues. When designing your quantitative research project, keep in mind several useful design tips. First one, establish the purpose for your quantitative study. The second, locate your method. The third, scope your project. The fourth, plan the nature of your data. The fifth, think ahead. 5 types of quantitative methods. Quantitative methodology field includes 5 principal methods. Those are case study. Case study investigates an activity, an event, a process, or one or several individual in depth. A case study is an in-depth analysis of people, events, and relationships bounded by some unifying factor. Infography. Infography studies a cultural group in a common setting for a prolonged period of time. Infography focuses on meaning largely through direct field observation. Grounded theory. Grounded theory derives a general abstract theory of an action, process, or influence based on the views of participants. In a grounded theory study, interpretations are continually derived from raw data. Narrative approach. These approaches typically focus on the lives of individuals as told through their own stories. Phenomenology. Phenomenology is a study of structure of consciousness as experienced from the first-person point of view. Now let's talk about the difference between quantitative and quantitative research. Both quantitative and quantitative methods in a research project can be used to achieve valuable results in your survey and recover the theme deeply. The core difference between quantitative and quantitative research could be found in the characteristics of their data. Quantitative studies rely on numeric data. Quantitative studies rely on personal accounts or documents. Quantitative research focuses on how much and how many. Quantitative research focuses on why, what, and how to fix. How to get and why to collect quantitative data. There exist options on how to get quantitative data and provide yourself with detailed information concerning the topic. We offer the list of them below. The first one is the interview. Interview is a conversation one-on-one that allows deeply running into the subject. The second is the expert opinions. Expert opinion is the information taken from the reliable resources and well-informed people. The third is the case studies. The case study is a list of stories taken from the interviews. The next is the open-ended survey question. It is a part of the survey where respondents have the opportunity to express their opinions on the problem freely. Focus groups. Focus groups is a conversation with a group of people which has the aim to listen to their view on the discussed problem. The last one is observational research. Observational research is observing someone while they are completing their routine tasks with the aim to understand how they treat the product or solve the problem. So collecting quantitative data is important if you want to give more accurate information and increase the value of your project. What is quantitative research design? Quantitative and quantitative research use different research methods to collect and analyze data, and they allow